Okay, so this is a high pressure switch. Manual reset, gets mounted on the discharge line or the liquid line, depending on where you have room to put it, and it monitors the system for high pressure. Now, it's missing the piece that screws onto the system. A few of the boys were demoing a unit, and this came from that, and I took it just to give you guys a quick tip when you're leak checking. I've posted videos in the past on Facebook where the refrigerant was actually coming through the insulation of the conductor and leaking out the top. A few of these videos where it was actually bubbling out the top here. Now, how does that happen? Well, it screws onto the system, right? It's pressurized. If the seal breaks between the refrigerant side and the electrical side, this whole piece becomes pressurized and the refrigerant has nowhere to go but up the insulation, and it leaks out the top. So if you guys are leak checking, you know it's low on gas, you can't find the leak, you might want to start checking these because they do leak.